Kamal, Singal, Managing Director and CEO of Arvind SmartSpaces joins us now. Kamal, good morning. Thank you for joining us. You launched your first phase and the demand has been strong. At what price did you launch? What has been the demand? How much money you've collected?
Good morning. Yeah, we launched first phase of our new project at Dorblapur Road in Bangalore a couple of days back. This was a phase which was worth little less than 200 crores, and we sold out everything within a few hours. Selling price for the plots there is around 5,000 rupees per square foot, all inclusive. And when we've sold really well, this was third launch in consecutive quarters, and everything went off very well, and markets have taken it very, very positively. And we sold out everything in a few hours, as we said.
Okay, so the demand has been really strong, but could you discuss with us what kind of price points have you brought this project at? We're trying to understand whether there's a pickup in the mid segment as well, or is it still the luxury segment that continues to see a lot of pickup? I understand you are largely into the mid and the mass segment, right?
We are largely in mid and upper mid segments, and that is how this project was also kind of positioned. This has sold at around 5,000 rupee per square foot of land. This was essentially a plotting project, which is sized at around 25 acres thereabouts. And this is pretty, that's what sells a lot, and we have been doing quite a bit of business in this segment.
We were just discussing with the management of Raymond Realty as well as to where are we in the cycle, because the upcycle in the real estate has actually lasted already 3 years. I mean, post-COVID pretty much it has been on an upswing. You have been guiding about 30% compounded growth in your pre-sales as well. How long do you expect this momentum to continue?
So in our understanding, we are pretty much in the middle of this cycle. At least next 2 to 3 years, we see as the years which will continue to see this kind of growth. This time, this cycle, the upcycle that we call, is a little different as compared to what it used to be earlier. It is quite widespread. It is driven by demand and consumption. It is less dependent upon investment appetite per se, and hence this is much more sustainable a rally that we see. And in our understanding, demand is still very, very robust, widespread, and there is quite a bit of interest in the investors community and the end consumption community put together. And hence we see this cycle to continue for at least next 2 to 3 years and actually beyond.
Okay, so the cycle will continue for at least 2 to 3 years. But since the cycle is so strong, I'm sure everybody is looking at capitalizing into the opportunity. What kind of launch pipeline you have?
So as we end the year, we will have a total pipeline of around 6,500 crores, which is a BD which is already done, deal signed and everything, and launches are happening from this kind of pipeline. This year we have added a little less than 5,000 crores of fresh projects already in our portfolio, 4,000 plus to be very precise, and maybe we'll add a couple of more projects by the time year ends. Next year also, we hope to continue to do the same thing. So next year, end of next year, 24-25, we are looking at something like 9 to 10,000 crores of total pipeline in our portfolio as we end the year, March 25.
Okay, so that point is taken as well. I just wanted to get a sense from you in terms of the other geographies that you're looking at as well. I understand that, of course, Ahmedabad, Bangalore has been something that you're looking at. But what about Mumbai in terms of expanding and deepening your presence here? Because you're looking at some joint development agreements here as well, right?
Correct. I mean, Ahmedabad and Bangalore, of course, are our major two cities where almost 50-50 each is happening in terms of volume of business that we say. We've just added Surat into our portfolio. We have acquired one very large project there, which is around 250-300 acres of township. So we'll be entering into Surat market very soon. We already have a project going in Pune. And as part of our medium-term strategy, we have already discussed our intentions to enter into MMR. And when I say MMR, this includes Pune, generally speaking. And we are hopeful that in next few months, we should be able to announce a couple of projects in the market of Mumbai MMR also.
Watch out for those announcements in the MMR region. On that note, we'll let you go. Appreciate you making time and speaking with us. Time now to take a short breather on the show.